In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create columns in Notion. If you're looking to streamline your workspace and boost your productivity, learning how to use columns effectively can be a game changer. Let's dive in and explore how you can use this feature to its full potential. First off, you'll want to open Notion. Whether you're using the desktop app or the browser version, make sure you're logged in and that you have the page ready where you'd like to create columns. Columns can be a powerful way to organize content side by side, making it easier to compare information or keep related content visually aligned. Now, let's start with the basics. Begin with 2 or more blocks on your page. Blocks are the fundamental building elements of Notion. You can have text blocks, image blocks, or other content types, depending on what you need to organize. Having multiple blocks ready will give you the flexibility to arrange them into columns. Next, move your cursor to hover over the left side of one of these blocks. You'll notice that a small icon with 6 dots appears. This is the handle that allows you to drag and rearrange your blocks. Clicking on these dots activates the block, giving you control over its positioning on the page. Once you've selected the block, click and hold the mouse button, dragging that block towards the right side of another block. This movement is what helps create a column. As you do this, pay close attention to the design cues that Notion provides. You'll notice a vertical blue line appearing on the screen, indicating where you can place the block. Now, when you see that vertical blue line, you found your target. Release the mouse button to drop the block into its new position, creating a column. It's that simple. This visual cue ensures that your blocks align perfectly without any cumbersome trial and error, making the process smooth and efficient. Finally, you might want to adjust how wide or narrow each column is based on your preferences. To do this, look for the divider between the columns. By clicking and dragging this line left or right, you can easily adjust each column's width. This customization allows you to make sure everything fits perfectly, enhancing both the aesthetic and functional aspects of your page layout. And there you have it, a quick guide to creating columns in Notion. Remember, using columns is a fantastic way to keep your information organized and visually appealing. With just a few simple steps, you can transform your Notion workspace into a more efficient and streamlined environment. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other tutorials for more great productivity tips and tricks.